without any delay. So let's move on to the sum as maximize and minimize. They have given objective function as z is equal to x plus 2y with the 3 constraints and 2 non-negative constraints. See, as we have done earlier sums, we have solved the sum which is having only 2 constraints. But here you will be having 3 constraints, so that you have to get a precise solution for your question. So let's solve these 3 constraints first in order to get the graph. Then we'll find the maximum and the minimum value from the feasible solution. So let's take up the constraint one by one and solve. First we'll be having x plus 2y is greater than or equal to 100. We'll write it as x plus 2y is equal to 100. Now find the solution by giving it to the values. X is equal to 0 I will be giving. So what's the value I will be getting? I will be getting it as 2y is equal to 100. So value of y, we will get it as 50. Now give y is equal to 0. You will get x is equal to 100. Now the solution box, we will be having it as x and y. If x is 0, then value of y we will be having 50. And if y is 0, value of x is 100. I will be taking this as the second constraint. Then we will move further to this one. So second constraint, we will be having 2x plus y is less than or equal to 200. So let's substitute value of x is equal to 0. Then what's the value of y we will be getting? Value of y is equal to 200. So now substitute y is equal to 0. You will get 2x is equal to 200. Then x value will be having 100. Then what is the solution table for this constraint? If we are having the x value as 0, then y value will be having it as 200. Then if y is 0, then x value will be having it as 100. In the similar manner, let's solve the third constraint which we will be having left over. So third constraint is 2x minus y is equal to 0. So third one will be having 2x minus y is equal to 0. This can also be written as y is equal to 2x. Can I? If we send this minus y that side, we will get 2x is equal to y, which can be written as y is equal to 2x. Now give the value for x, you will get the value for y. Now I am giving x is equal to 0, y is equal to 2 into 0 will be 0. Now if you are thinking we have to give again y is equal to 0, no, you have already got for x is equal to 0, y is equal to 0. Again if you are giving y is equal to 0, you will get back the same x is equal to 0. So better give some different values so that you will have an accurate graph. I will be taking x is equal to 20. If you are taking x is equal to 20, y value is equal to 2 into 20, that is 40. Give x is equal to 40, I will be getting y is equal to 2 into 40, that is 80. Now the solution box for this constraint will be x, y. If x is equal to 0, y is 0. If x is 20, this one is 40. If x is 40, then y is 80. Now let's plot the graph for all these 3 constraints in order to get the feasible solution. So let's plot the graph for all the 3 constraints one by one. First we'll take up the Cartesian plane with the x and y axis. So we have taken the coordinate axis as x and y axis. With the scale x axis we have taken 1 centimeter as 40 units, and on the y axis we have taken 1 centimeter as 40 units. So let's mark the constraint solution in the following graph. So first one we will be having, it is x plus 2y greater than or equal to 100. So this table we have to mark it on a graph. So first point is 0, 50 and 100, 0. 0, 50 we will be having 0 on the x axis and 50 on the y axis. So 50 will be in the between 40 and 60. Next point we will be having 100, 0, which is this one. So next let's join these 2 points in order to get a graph. So this is the graph. For the line we will be having it as x plus 2y greater than or equal to 100. Now let's draw the graph for another line which is 2x plus y less than or equal to 200. First point is 0, 200 and 100, 0. 0 on the x-axis and 200 on the y-axis is this point, and next is 100, 0. 100, 0 will be as it is. Now join these 2 points in order to get the another graph line. This one. So this is the graph for the line 2x plus y less than or equal to 200. Since we have got the graphs for both the lines x plus 2y greater than or equal to 100, 2x plus y less than or equal to 200. Let's draw the third line which we have taken. So third line is 2x minus y less than or equal to 0. Now we will be having this one to draw in a graph. So first point is 0, 0, this one, and the second point will be having 20, 40. 20 on the x-axis and 40 on the y-axis, and next is 40, 80. So these are the 3 points which you have got for the third constraint. Now join all these points in order to get the third line graph. So we have got the graphs for all the lines which they have given in a question. Now let's find the feasible solution by taking the solution for each graph. So first line we will be having x plus 2y greater or equal to 0. So greater than means obviously the region above the line will be the solution for this line. So this is the solution region for the line x plus 2y greater or equal to 100. Next we will be having the line 2x plus y less than or equal to 100. Since it is less than or equal to, we will be having the solution region downwards of the line. So this is the solution region of the second constraint. Now the feasible region all depends on this only this constraint. If the solution is this side, we will be having this as the feasible region. If we are having the solution this side, we will be having this one as the feasible region. So let's find what is the solution graph for the third line. We will be having 2x minus y less than or equal to 0. This can be written as 2x less than or equal to y. I will send this minus y that side. We will get 2x less than or equal to y. Some student make a mistake by marking a different region as the solution. So first understand how to mark the solution region. Since 2x is having lesser value than the y coordinate, you can observe on the either side of the line. This side you can observe that x value is greater, and this side you can observe that x value is lesser. So obviously what they have given in the equation? They have given x value is lesser. So the solution will be having on the this side of the line. So where all these 3 points are meeting, that become the solution of the graph. So this is the region where all the 3 points are meeting with each other. So this is the feasible region which we have got. We people know that at the corner points of a feasible region, we will get the solution. So I'll be taking the corner points as A, B, C and D. So at these 4 corner points, we will be getting the maximum and the minimum value for the objective function. So A coordinate will be having the coordinates as 0, 200. What are the coordinates of the B point? B point we can observe from the graph itself. Since the B point is in between 40 and 60, so first x-axis will take it as 50 and on the y-axis we will be having on the 100. So B point is 50, 100 and the C point you can observe easily, it is 20, 40 and the D point, last one, D point we will be having it as 0, 50. So for these 4 points we have to check the maximum and minimum value for the objective function. So let's draw the table. So this is the table which we have got with the points and the objective function. If we substitute the values of these points, we will get the values for the objective function. So let's substitute the point A. If we substitute the point A, we will get the Z value as 2 to 0, that is 400, and we will be having the B value as 250 and next we'll be having the C value. If we substitute the C point, we'll be having the Z value as 20 plus 80, that is 100, and the last one which is also 100. So you can observe from this table, the Z is attaining the maximum and the minimum value. Maximum value will be attaining P, which is at the point A. So Z maximum can be written as 400 at a point A of 0, 200. Now you can observe what is the minimum value here. Yes, you are getting the two minimum values, that is Z minimum is equal to 100 at, you can't take only 1 points because you are getting minimum value same for the 2 points. You have to write it at C of 20, 40 and also D of 0, 50. So this is the solution for the question which they have given in the question paper. You people might have heard practice makes perfect. So I have given 2 questions for you people. Please try it out and tell me what is the maximum value and the minimum value in the comment box. If you're having any kind of doubt, so let me know in the comment box so that I can clear your doubts in the last few minutes of my every video. So thank you for watching my video and don't forget to like, share and subscribe to my channel. Thank you.